Hello everybody, today is Friday, January 8th. It's 4:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I want to bring over the time and sales to confirm the time. The E-mini S&P trading at about 1916, 1575. Before I continue, first the required disclaimer. Okay, quite a day in the markets today. The sell-off continues. We had some good performance in several markets that we follow. The first thing I want to show you is the BWT Super Renko 4 tick. This is very deliberately designed for small accounts, or really any size account. You could trade more contracts, but particularly small accounts, in that I've been playing around with some of these settings. So here I only made the goal $1,000 and $1,000 loss limit on 2 contracts in the E-mini S&P, and it hit its goal today in fairly short order, I believe. This beginning of trading on this chart is at 9:30 at the open, and it started off with a small loser and then got filled on a limit order pullback here, and then second this trade, and then hit its goal within really only about 35 minutes of trading. So this is looking promising. I'm testing several variations of this theme, but once again, it looks very promising for smaller accounts. You could trade the same idea with even 1 contract, or you could trade it with 5 or 10 if your account is large enough. Okay, next up is the 30-year Treasury bond trading 2 contracts, and this was quite a trade today, a small loser, and then on really fast action, within a few seconds, the bonds dropped dramatically, and its profit goal was hit on this fast drop, which took about 8 seconds. So, once again, this is filled on a limit order. You can see the high of this bar is just about a tick above our fill. And so this was filled on a limit order and then exited down here as it hit its goal. The goal was 2,000, so there was obviously some slippage here of a couple of ticks by the time it exited the market. The action was pretty fast here. So anyway, really nice trade here, and your trading was literally over in, well, actually an hour and a half, but at 8:30 when the bond market opened, there was some extreme action there, but this was captured by the auto trader, and there's probably no way you would have been able to catch this and execute and do this manually. So it's kind of a testimony to how an automated software can really help you get into the trades and exit and keep your discipline. Okay, next up we have the DAX on the Super Renko 21 tick, and this did 2162 for the day on 2 contracts. Okay, next up is the crude oil contract on our precision Renko chart, and this too is a deep pullback, and I'm going to scroll back to the beginning of the session. So we started off with a small loser, a winner, got stopped out a little prematurely. And then finished strong at the end with the crude oil chart hitting its goal of 1,500 for the day. Okay, finally we have the DAX on our Uni Renko chart, and this is much smaller time frame than the 21 tick. And this did 1400 for the day. And it appears that it hit its goal of 1500, probably had a little slippage on the end. Notice our BWT volume reversal signals at these pretty excellent placement here. Okay, that's all for today's video. Once again, if you'd like to find out more, please visit our website, have a look at our videos, and feel free to contact us at systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.